How to fix Instagram DMs not loading. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to move yourself towards the DMs option. Now over in the DMs option, you have to search by dropping down. As you search, then nothing appears over here. Then you have to scroll back and open Instagram app by long pressing it in Android. Then you have to go on this eye option. You have to scroll down and then you have to go on storage, and over here you have to clear the cache. Now when you clear the cache, then you will be able to see all the DMs that are not responding. That's all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.